Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make stir fry pickle mustard green ថ្ងៃនេះឆាស្ពៃជ្រក់ញ៉ាំមកបងប្អូនស្ពៃជូរនេះ cut into small pieces កាត់វាដុំតិចតួចមកល្មមមកយើងញ៉ាំស្រួលណា If you want to know how to make pickle mustard green, let me know in the comment section. I can tag you in one of my video កូនក្មួយណាចង់ចេះធ្វើជ្រក់ស្ពៃហ្នឹងប្រាប់ខ្ញុំណាខ្ញុំមានវីដេអូឲ្យមើល Okay, and then I'm going to use 1 stalks of Chinese celery. Okay, put it all in there. You want to give it a good wash. Try to get rid of the salt. យកទៅលាងទឹកឲ្យស្អាតណាដើម្បីឲ្យវាអស់ជាតិប្រៃបងប្អូន Okay, nice and clean. I'm going to chop up some garlic. You can use as much as you want. Okay, I'm going to make some seasoning stir fry sauce. Half teaspoon of black pepper, ម្រេចកន្លះស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ 2 teaspoon of sugar, ស្ករស2ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ a dash of MSG ប៊ីចេងបន្តិច 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce ប្រេងខ្យង1ស្លាបព្រាបាយ 1 teaspoon of fish sauce ទឹកត្រី1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ 1 tablespoon of water warm water ទឹកខ្ញុំដាក់1ស្លាបព្រាបាយ Okay, give it a mix and the sauce is ready. This much of 3 layer of pork belly ខ្ញុំប្រើសាច់ជ្រូកប៉ុណ្នេះបងប្អូន If you want more, use more, but this is all I need. ខ្ញុំប្រើសាច់ជ្រូកតែប៉ុណ្នេះឯងបងប្អូនបើបងប្អូនចូលចិត្តសាច់ច្រើនដាក់ថែមទៀតណា You can use whatever meat you prefer. All done, let's cook. So this is the wok that I'm using to make stir fry. One of the best wok that I purchased from a restaurant supply. A little bit of cooking oil. Add stir fry sauce. Add vegetable. Give it a toss. All done. You can serve with rice.